Hi Julie, thank you so much for sending your work through to me. I thought I'd just post a little video to explain my thinking. It might make it a little bit easier. So on the discussion board, when you asked about the the teaching strategies, I was just trying to explain to you that teaching strategies and activities are a little bit different. So, and what you'd put there was really more so an activity about using the animals in the vet corner. Okay, so what you want to do is that could be one idea. So your directed play is your teaching strategy, and then the way you do that is through those animals that are in the vet corner. You don't need to do all three based on the animals that are in the vet corner, okay, your teaching strategies. So another strategy you've got, would be collaborative learning, and again, that would be fine to use for Bella, but you wouldn't need to link that into that vet corner there also. And then the behaviour management, once again, it doesn't need to be linked into the vet corner. I just posted an announcement for the whole unit to explain this in a little bit more detail to help you out also. So I'll show you that now. Hold on, here it is. Yeah, so you can see here that what I've done is I've provided an explanation about what teaching strategies are. You can have setting goals, multiple exposures, structuring lessons, metacognitive strategies, questioning, explicit teaching, feedback, worked examples, collaborative learning, and differentiated teaching. And there's an explanation about when you'd use each of those strategies here in this document. So then, as an example here, if I was looking at Christian, his case study, he lacks autonomy. So therefore, I would say that one of the teaching strategies I would use would be goal setting. And the purpose for that would be to increase Christian's autonomy and agency. And then this would be how I would write it up when I submit my assignment. So the strategy, label it, and what it's going to do. I would then build into a little bit about why it's important that children develop independence, and then I would support that with research from within the unit. Now, we will have a Collaborate session on Monday night, so that might also help. But I hope that clarifies for you that you just need to choose 3 different teaching strategies and then explain why they would be important for your child, to improve their well-being. Anyway, I hope that does help you. If not, please reach out again. Take care. Bye.